E2?
E2, we don't have gas on,
Okay.
so it definitely won't light. But it's going to go through 3 trials for ignition. And this is where we were saying before, it's about 4 minutes, 5 minutes sometimes for all that to happen. For the pre-purge, 15 seconds for pre-purge, then you have a trial for ignition for 7 seconds, then another 15 seconds of purge, and then another 7-second trial for ignition. And then after 3 tries, it takes about a minute before it will go and turn off and give you the fault code.
So really, as a furnace, it's happy. It's got continuity, everything is working, but somebody forgot to open up the gas, or the solenoid perhaps may not be working.
Right.
Or something,
spark.
or no spark, something like that. Okay.
But you can set it, we go right to E2. And after that, it'll go down, but we'll reset it.